An L&I retaliation occurs when an employer takes an adverse action against someone after they file an L&I claim. So a lot of times you'll see someone file an L&I claim and then their employer will say, okay, I don't want you to work here anymore. And so all of a sudden the employer starts sending letters saying, your hours are changed, or I want to move you to the night shift, or I want you to come back, but not right away. Or, you know what, we're gonna give you a new title and it's not gonna pay as much as it paid before. All of these are adverse actions, and they happen all the time because a lot of employers out there, once someone gets injured and has filed an L&I and starts participating in the L&I system, they say, I don't want that person to work for me anymore. And they start taking steps to drive that person away or to minimize the roles and duties so that person leaves on their own. And this is very much an employment law violation, and it's very squarely what we do when we analyze a workers' comp claim. We're looking for those employment law violations because we're looking to file that employment law claim to right that situation. And a lot of people don't understand this, but an L&I retaliation claim is often far more valuable than the underlying workers' comp claim. For us to really get value for clients, for us to really maximize their recovery, we're looking to that employment law claim to really drive up the value of the case and get them everything they're entitled to. To my knowledge, we're the only firm in Washington State that does this. I don't have any other firms with employment law attorneys on staff, and certainly none that I can think of with the sophistication and expertise that's necessary to really spot those claims and then to drive it home in federal or state litigation. Anyone who has an issue like this should just give us a call. There's no one that's better equipped to tell you what your options are, what your rights are. You know, whether you have a case. I mean, you may not have a case, but if you do, we can tell you what it is, we can tell you how to proceed, and we might be able to help you.